Oh, it's light out. So we stayed in the camper at the shop last night with the top down. Just rolled on in. I hung out with my buddy John last night. So we're gonna slap some new Nitto 40s on these trail ready beadlocks here today. We're also going to be installing Apex Products rapid air down valves that I'm super stoked with. We're going to be using airsoft BBs as wheel weights. And of course, we'll show you some cool rigs that are in and out of the shop while we're doing this on the weekend. Also, I should mention, this isn't just any old shop. This is Nichols Auto Fab, where I've been building my Jeep Gladiator into my dream home on wheels for the past 3 years. But first, shop's a little full. Gotta take some stuff out. Here's my tires. Hey, tires. Check this thing out, though. Yeah, lots of sick rigs in here right now. Look at this. Got a big old flatbed, old school. Nice Cummins with the 4-wheel camper. And then we got a JK over there, a little 2-door. Some King coil overs. Look at that. Dang, this thing's even got Curries. Wow, that's neat. With the 2 spares coming out the back there. Yeah, that's cool. Dude, she's got Curries? Oh, yeah. Jeep life. We're gonna do a little wee wee, a little day at the dentist, and we'll get her done. 150 pounds of wheel and tire. Now we just got to take out all these bolts on these rock rings. I think there's 36 each wheel. There's a lot. Phil, hey, editing Phil, how many screws are we about to take out? Thanks for the heads up. Yeah, don't do that. No, there's still air in the tires. You will kill yourself. Oh, really? Well, yeah. Well, it's letting it out. Yeah, no, that's bad. Okay. Deflate the tires. It's all bad. Don't do this. Don't try this at home. Just look at that thing. Are you serious? I don't know. For a lowrider, it's pretty cool. All right, so Kevin's pulling the Cummins out. We had to move our tires, make a little room for him. I don't know if you guys saw what just happened, but I started to loosen the beadlock ring while there was still air in the tire, and apparently that's super sketch. Yeah, makes sense why. I don't know if I'm just too focused on filming or thinking about RC rock crawler beadlocks and how you don't have to do that. Or, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and grab our rapid air down valves and let all the air out of these tires here so that we don't do that. But that's real life stuff, guys. This is my first set of beadlocks, and this is actually gonna be the second set of tires that I've ever even put on them. So that's the rapid air down valve on the trail ready beadlock. It just very rapidly airs down the tires. So we like that valve. I have Apex Products air down valves though that I'm gonna throw in that I think I'm gonna like a little bit more. So we're fine tuning stuff, but I love the trail ready beadlocks. It's been amazing to run beadlocks and be able to run 4 or 5 PSI and just have virtually tracks when we're air down. So rapid precision valve XL extra length. So these are really neat. Basically you unscrew this. So when you have that valve stem off, you can pull this up and once the air will come out, push that down, put it back on, we're good to go. There we go. There we go. Pops off.
Now it's gonna come down so we're not that tall.
Look how big they look in the bed there. So I'll take these down the way to get the bead broke. You can break the bead with like a high lift jack and some stuff, but I don't even know what's easier. We just toss them in the bed, take them up the road, they'll break the bead. That's pretty easy too, so. Alrighty, take the old power. Hey, how do I put these mirrors out, bud? You hit the mirror button. Where is it? Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that. Fancy. Thanks, man. Even Coach gets to come in the Power Wagon. Yeah, Beans. There you go. She's like, whoa, what do I do? What do I do? Yeah, you're going to go right over there and you're going to sit right there. Okay, Beans? Sit down. It's a good girl. We'll see you guys in a bit. Appreciate you. All right. So, yeah, look at this beautiful Power Wagon. Kevin is just such a good dude. He lets us use his trucks and the shop and all this stuff, and yeah, it's awesome. Oh, also check this out. I made this for him, a little camper art. He's got it sitting right there. Let peace be your guide and your heart will be fulfilled. I said that one day while we were talking and he liked it, so I made that. That's his old unicorn Jeep. But anyways, we're gonna go mob out, get these tires de-beaded, and we'll go from there. What a beautiful truck this is though. Wow, the Power Wagon. So while they're breaking the beads, we got to get more balance beads, but we don't actually have balance beads for tires. So we are pulling right on in to Big 5 right now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get airsoft BBs, and we're gonna put 10 ounces of airsoft BBs in each tire and wheel, because that's the amount of wheel weights that it needs. So Big 5, I hope you got what we need. I think you do. All right, these are gonna do it. I'll explain the math to you when we're putting them back in the wheels and tires. All right, well, thank you, Big O Tires. We just got them loaded up. Beads are broken, inner beads, so the wheels will just come right out. So we'll mob these back to the shop. Yeah, just pick out all these beads. I just gotta pick each of these beads out so that this way is the same.
You don't stand a chance of getting your hands on that car.
Whatever it takes. I think it's gonna take some simple green in this case.
Hold that wheel up right here with that.
Oh yeah, once the beads pop, they just come right out, you know. Well, it takes a little effort. There. Hey, thank you, sir. Oh, it's easy. Yeah, easy peasy. Yeah, just a little. Just gotta get in there with these guys. Take our old valve stems out. Yeah, this was Kevin's idea. I think it's a snap-on extractor bit, dealy bob. Fits right over top. All right, love these Apex products, valve stems. Easy to install. I got an O-ring on the bottom. Pop this in. We'll put the O-ring on the other side. We'll torque these two nuts here to 35 foot-pounds. Here we go. What's that? And one tire, two tire, three tire, four, and five to complete this set for sure. It's a 10 tire dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Oh, 10. It's a 10 tire dance. Hard to keep track of them all. So we're going to stack the old ones over here. And I think they're going to go on Kevin's Power Wagon. So that's cool. Got to stack at the highest. These tires are almost 100 pounds each. So. No big deal. No big deal. All right, so we're touching up the threads here with this tap and die and a little bit of this little ultra cut gold gel. And yeah, we'll just run it in there and touch up these threads. Just did it on this wheel over here, and check out them threads, real nice. These are the threads for the rapid air down valves that came with the Trail Ready Beadlocks. So we're gonna take these bolts here and some silicone and jam them up in here. We've got this all re-threaded. Nice threads that we just tapped in there. Yeah, you saw them. Anyways, and we'll get this all plugged up because we've got our Apex products on. So once we got this side filled, this is all we'll need. Well, there's 2,000 BBs in here, so I've got to count 500 out of this, and out of this, and out of this, out of all 4 of these, and put 1,500 BBs in, because that will be 300 grams. I got a lot of counting to do. I'm not very excited about it, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
All right, Phil.
See you, man.
Good luck with your counting.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I realize I gotta count 2,000 individuals. I'm 1,200 in, so that's fun.
That's dedication.
More than halfway there.
You're killing it.
Thanks, man. See you, dude.
44, 45, 46.
1,266. I literally counted every single one of those. That's 1,500 in there, if you can believe it. All right, well, turn off the music here, and we got our light switch over here, and we're gonna be sleeping here at Nichols Auto Fab again. And yeah, we've done this many a times before. Never done it on jack stands. So that's new, with no wheels and tires. Having a little megalodon before bed. It's about midnight right now. Hey Codes, how you doing? Codes is all tucked in. Yeah, we got quite the view out here. So yeah, and we're right next to this Jeep. Little wheelies here. So yeah, we just got to mount all the wheels and tires tomorrow and torque 180 bolts and just do it all and put it all back on. No big deal. But we got the wheels done today. I got all of these bolts in. They're all siliconed in. Those are all sealed up. And then we got the Apex products, air down valves, all torqued, sealed, and installed on all 4 wheels. So the wheels are good to go. But yeah.
Kevin's here.
So remember, Kevin, we counted 500 out of these. It's a wrap morning here. Oh yeah. Anyways, counted 500 out of these. This is 1,500 BBs at 0.2 grams. It's gonna be 300 grams, which is approximately 10.5 ounces, which is what we need in each wheel. All right, here we go.
Looks like I'm pumping a tire.
Nice.
Yes, what I did, and then you can do the next.
Okay, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Wheels out there. Nice, dude.
Bam!
Yeah. There it is. Yeah, I did it. Now we'll just put all the bolts in, torque them just perfectly. No big deal. At this point, I definitely have a love-hate relationship with beadlocks. They can be kind of fun and methodical to go all the way around, but certainly does take a long time. Feel soft. They feel nice already. Nice new tires. We're out camped in the woods again. Thank you guys for watching this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something about beadlocks, Apex rapid air down valves, all this stuff. Anyways, Comment, let me know what you think. So make sure you subscribe for the next one. Me and Code Girl, living full-time on the road in my Jeep. Just been so much fun. We're gonna really ramp up sharing more stuff with you guys too. Doing a little bit of reflection on the last almost 5 years of this nomadic lifestyle of mine. So we'll see you on the next one, if you are down to mob.